Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use the Tradingview API for strategy backtesting. Alright, this is gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one at all. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to access the API documentation. Now you can easily access the API documentation by simply clicking on the API button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 is to learn about the API endpoints and parameters. So you want to go ahead and try to learn about the API's endpoints and parameters for strategy backtesting. Step 3 is going to be to use the API to backtest trading strategies. So go ahead and use the API to backtest trading strategies, including evaluating performance metrics and optimizing parameters. The fourth and final step is going to be to use the backtesting results for strategy improvements and refine those strategies further. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview API for strategy backtesting. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.